Yes, and definitely, dahil gusto namin maki-interact kayo sa amin, we want this to be engaging.
Uy, engage?
Engage daw, sandali. Sino?
Engaging ang mga nanunood
Yun.
sa atin.
Kala ko
Of course, to be
napabilis
part of
kayo.
Sports 360.
Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl.
And I try to do it the best of my ability.
Speaking of which, we actually have Coach Yang Yao on a phone patch for AZ Reed.
Hello?
I'm just kidding.
Coach?
I'm just kidding.
Alright, let's say you blocked someone's shot. Swatted it to the front row.
Get that out of here.
Alam namin magaling ka, pero parang ang husay mo ngayon.
Oo, parang ang husay mo lang. May gusto ka bang i-share? May naisali ba sa listahan ng mga achievements mo na you are really proud of?
My girlfriend Owen.
Yun.
Ibang klase. So si Jun
I
Mercedes
love you, Mom.
Eric.
I love you, Eric.
Ayoko yun, nandito lang yun eh. So ito. Yun nga lang, isa lang yung t-shirt ko, guys. Isa lang.
Pwede naman yung suit mo eh.
Ano? Ito ba? Ito ba? Ito ba?
The Corpside Reporter.
Hindi. So Coach Yang Yao. Coach Yang Yao to. Yan. Rain or shine.
Anong mga referee ko
Ako ay isang scarecrow.
Ako lang ang unique na scarecrow kasi ako lang yung chubby. Yan. Lahat sila bayat.
Yes, Apple Box.
Hi, Erica. On your birthday, first of all, I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. And thank you for coming into my life.
Yay!
Yan.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh.
Dumating na po siya, kakarating lang, kakapark lang. Ladies and gentlemen,
Mr. Jeffrey Cariaso!
yes! Yan!
The Jeff!
Parang tumit ka!